What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel here at Sticky Hickory Barbecue. I'm DQ, and today I got a good one for you today. Today we're making beef finger ribs out on the Weber kettle. It's springtime, crank up those grills, let's go. Alright folks, so today we are making beef finger ribs. Let's go ahead and get these out the package. We got this from my local HEB right here. These are very inexpensive. These shouldn't take too long to cook. Let's go ahead and get them opened up, get them out of the package. And here we have it, folks. That's what we're looking like right there on those beef finger ribs. Let's turn it over here on this side. You can see we got our rib bones here. These are gonna shrink up quite some when we get it out there. That meat is gonna pull back up off the bone. It's probably gonna pull this way too. Because there's not so much meat on here, I'm not gonna even bother trying to remove it. Just gonna take it out the package, get it on the cutting board, and we're gonna start seasoning it up, all right? We're gonna go ahead and pat that moisture off of there on both of them. Flip it over, do the other side. With the cost of beef ribs, with those big old plate ribs and short ribs, some people may not want to pay those prices. So if you're looking for an inexpensive way to go, you got these cuts that sometimes your butcher or places like HEB here down in Texas or Kroger may have some of these cuts. I've even seen it at Walmart. Sometimes they're called beef back ribs. So whenever you're looking for your beef, you want to get a beef rib fix and you don't want to spend that plate rib money, here you go right here. All right, you're still gonna get a lot of richness. You're still gonna get a lot of moisture flavor off of them. Not as much meat, but it's gonna be a good cook. For our seasonings, it's gonna be real simple. We don't even need a binder for this. So I'm gonna go on with some 16 mesh black pepper because this is a Texas barbecue. So we cannot do that without the black pepper. We're gonna go on first with our black pepper. About that much, get it nice and coated, pat it in. Right here on the other one too. Folks, don't forget the sides. Season all sides, all right? I do not want to see sides not seasoned, all right? Just like that. Flip it over to the other side, all right? We're gonna add some more flavor to that. I have Hawkeye seasoning all in right here. I got this seasoning from the farmer's market here that I happen to like. Guy was giving out some samples. I tasted it, I liked it, and I said, you know what? I'm gonna use it on my channel. Here we go, putting it in work. We're gonna hold it up about this high. Oh, that's a bit much. Be careful. And we're just gonna season these up. This is an all-in blend, so this is all purpose. You can use this on whatever, chicken, beef, pork. I'm kind of excited to see how it's gonna come out on these beef ribs. It smells good. There's definitely some flavors up in here. And that's what really attracted me to it. We're gonna pat that in, just like that. Get this other one seasoned up, all right? Now that that's seasoned up, we're just gonna let that sit for a little while, about 10, 15 minutes, then we're gonna get them on the smoker, all right? Stay tuned, hang in there with me. All right, I'm outside at the Weber kettle. We got it fired up. Got the beef finger ribs right here. Got them sitting out there, starting to sweat. So let's get this lid off. I'll take a piece of hickory wood chop here, get this open, pop those in there, just a couple pieces. Some smoke flavor. I'll take these beef ribs here, and I'll face this part right here towards the fire. Got a little sizzle. Same thing with this one here. We're gonna set that off on the indirect side. We're gonna let those cook. See how long it takes. Hang in there, folks. 1 hour later, we got smoke rolling. You can see it. Smells good out here. All right, let's get this lid off. Take a look at that. Look at that color on there. Look at it, seasoning. We got a little moisture pooling up right there. Just go tip that off. Tip that off. Look at that. Let's get a temp on these, see where we at. We'll go right here. We're reading that. 158, 159-ish. Let's go ahead and give these a quick little spray. Some moisture. Put some moisture back into there. And as you can see, that meat is starting to crawl up off that bone right there. Moisturize it. What I got here in my Swiss powder, I got some water with some some of that good old W sauce. I ain't gonna even try to pronounce the damn word. You know what I mean. You know what it is. So get that sprayed up. Get that lid back on. Keep cooking. In just a minute, we're gonna get to wrapping. All right? And I ain't talking about beef pie. I said no. 30 minutes later, we're back out here. Let's get in here. So these are beef ribs. As you can see, we developed a nice little bark on there. Nice, pretty color. Let's go ahead and temp and see where we're at. We should be ready to wrap these. So we go in here. We're temping at about 173. So it's good to wrap. Once you get that bark, this is up to you. So you can wait till you get that bark set, or you can do it by temp. I personally do it by look. So let's go ahead and get this on here. I got some rendered fat here. I'm just gonna pour on this parchment paper, and I got some peach parchment paper here. Oh shit, it's right. Alright. So spread that on there like that. Pick this up. Sit it right here on top of that. Just like that. This is where we get artsy. I'm gonna take this, fold it over, crease that just like that. For those of you who need a wrap fast. Fold this over. See that fire is getting real crazy. I can see it out the corner of my eye. So we're gonna move a little fast. Take that in, fold it over like that. I wanna keep this nice and tight so those juices can stay in there. So this can braise and tenderize. Take this, fold this in like this. There you go. Flip it just like that. Keep it nice and tight. Get that back piece that face up. Back on that side. Do that. Same thing to the other one.
When's it gonna be done?
It's gonna be done when it's done.
There's not a time limit on it?
No, this is barbecue, buddy. Good barbecue. We don't do times. So, go on somewhere with that.
You go on somewhere.
I'm back out here at the Weber Kettle. I need to check these should be done. Let's go ahead and take this one out. Get this opened up. Oh, look at those juices flowing right there. Let's get this one opened up. Take a look at that. And for those who don't know, I use bacon fat. I'm interested to see how this will come out. Let's get this temp. It's going in and out of there real easy like butter. So let's see where we're at. That's where we're at right there, 198, 197. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these because they're proven real tender and sit them out on the counter. This is gonna do what's called the carryover. So let's get these back wrapped up, get these off, see you inside. All right, guys, so we're inside at the taste test and we're about ready to dive in. I know you're ready for this. You want to see it. I want to see it. I'm just interested to see how that bacon fat came out. I've never done bacon fat on beef ribs, so I'm interested to see how this gonna come out. And I'm gonna tell you right now, the way this thing smells, those flavors are coming through real fragrant, man. And it's smelling too good, so let's go ahead and get on with this, man. So we're gonna just take these beef ribs. We're gonna be a little easier if we turn them around. These are rested already, so we're just gonna go ahead and go right in between the bones. Just like that. And one thing I love, man, is some beef ribs. Pork ribs are good, but beef ribs, man, you talk about richness. That's some good stuff. There we go. I'm gonna grab this beef rib right here and look at that moistness, that juiciness right there. All that flavor coming through. Oh yeah, we got a nice little smoke ring hitting right there, as you can see. Man, these are juicy. I'm just gonna go ahead and bite in. That bark is nice. Just bite in on this. That's good. That black pepper, there's a reason why we put that on first, because we wanted that to shine through. Oh man, I'm gonna take a bite on this side. Guys, that is too good. You gotta get this seasoning to try. Like I said, I got it from my local farmers market. Came out good on these beef ribs. Name of it is Hawkeye Seasoning. You can find them on Instagram. I'm not sure if they have a website, but if you go on their Instagram, you can get all the info, I'm sure. I can't get enough of that. I got to stop, all right? So I'm gonna keep y'all here all day. Y'all go. Y'all be watching me eat beef ribs all day. So guys, this is my beef rib recipe. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. If you try it out, go ahead and tag me on Instagram, Facebook. I'm on Snapchat, TikTok, Twitter. You know, if there's anything that you would like to see me cook, drop it down in the comments and let me know, okay? I'm DQ. I'm a Sticky Hickory Barbecue. This has been another great recipe. I'm out. Let's go.